Hi, I'm Gabriel Feitosa, Andis Educator, and I'm here today to show you guys of how to properly clean and pluck the dog's ears. There's a few ways of how to do it, and this is an essential part of their maintenance and their health. So me and Harvey are going to show you today, so let's get started. Not all dogs will have hair in the ears to pluck, but all need regular cleaning. If the ear appears to be red, inflamed, or yeasty, it may be best to visit the vet. If you determine the dog needs his ears plucked, you should do this before cleaning. Some of the items you will use are ear powder and hemostats to help grip the hair, or you can use your fingers. If the dog has long ears, flip the ear out of the way and hold it with your opposite hand. Sprinkle some of the powder inside of the ear. I'm using my fingers to gently pluck the hair out of its ear. I only grab small sections at a time and pull gently, only moving my fingers. Some dogs will not tolerate ear plucking, and in this case, you can clip any of the longer hair growing out of the ears. I'm using the Andis Vita adjustable blade clipper set to the 10th length on this ear. If you prefer to use a hemostat instead of your fingers, sprinkle the ear powder into the ear and gently grab small sections of hair to pluck. I never grab large amounts of hair and twist it all in one motion. This can hurt the dog and cause damage to the skin inside the ear. Once I have plucked or trimmed the hair out of each ear, I will clean with an ear cleaning solution in a cotton ball or cotton swab. I follow directions on the bottle and gently clean each ear completely. I will make sure to not only clean the inner ear, but also all the crevices and the flaps of the ears as well. Never stick a cotton swab too far down into the ear canal. Thanks for joining us. To learn more, check out more videos across andis.com.